Hi Kerrie, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Here is the video I promised you on the Toyota 4Runner. This is the TRD model, TRD off-road model. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, and it is Toyota certified, which means the warranty actually is much better and longer than the factory warranty that comes with them. Tow hitch is standard on these. It's got great maintenance records, and it's never been smoked in. There's no funny smells, pet smells, rips or tears inside. Just kind of walk around it here a little bit more for you. And factory running boards, these were installed at the factory. I looked up the original build sheet, so that's all good. This one also has the factory navigation package. And of course, Bluetooth. And this has also, it's called crawl control. There's a separate YouTube video on YouTube. If you type in Toyota 4Runner crawl control, you'll be able to see what all that's about. There's your back seats. Let me know if you have any questions or want to set up a time to come in and take a look at it. I'm at 253-394-0046. Again, 253-394-0046. Thanks. Talk to you soon.